Is your sharp carousel microwave fuse keep blowing? Stick around. Watch this video. I'll show you what the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so I have this sharp carousel microwave oven, and the thing with this the fuse keep blowing, right? So whenever the fuse blow and I put another fuse on, it will blow again. Right, so I'll plug it on and show you. Alright, so the fuse blow, there is no light. Alright, so I will unplug it. Remove the back cover. And I will change the fuse. Alright, so I plugged it on. Alright, so I put it on for 2 seconds. Not 2 seconds, 5 seconds. And you will see the fuse go blow again. Alright, so the fuse blow again. So I'll unplug it. Right, so it unplug. Now the thing with this, right? One of the main reasons why the fuse keep blowing is because of the capacitor gone. Right, so this is the capacitor. Right, so this is the capacitor and the high voltage capacitor, which is this gone. So I will change the capacitor and install this one. Right, so the value in this is 0.95 UF. The value in this is the same thing. So you need to remember, whenever you change it, you need to remember the value must be the same. Right, so it doesn't matter the size of it, because some will be long, some capacitors will be long, and some will be short. So it doesn't matter the length of it. The main thing is the value you're looking at. Right, so I'll remove this wireframe terminal, but before you remove it, you need to remember that you have to have a bird beak with an insulated handle. You don't put your hand there in the terminals, because it have high voltage current in the capacitor store, and you will get shocked. Rubber handle pliers or a bird beak pliers with rubber handle. Right, so whenever you move in the wires from the terminal, you need to remember where it come out and where it go back in. So you don't want to mix up the wires. You want to take it in order and put it back in the same order. Right? So you know these two here. Right? So these two is for this end, the capacitor, and this one by itself is for this terminal on the end. Alright, so you need a long Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw that hold on the clamp for the capacitor, and it will also hold on the diode, the high voltage diode. Alright, so you remove the screw. Like I said before, whenever you move the capacitor, you don't want to touch the terminals inside, so you be careful how you move it. Alright, so this is the old capacitor, and the value in this is same thing, 0.95. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, so this is the old one, and this is the replacement one, same value. Alright, so put back the clamp on the capacitor. You put it back in place. And install back the screw. Reconnect the wires to the terminal in the correct order. Alright, change the fuse. Alright, so fuse already installed. Now whenever I test a microwave, right, for heat or to see it working, you always put some water. You do not want to run your system without water, because anytime you run your system without water, that could be a problem. You don't want that to happen, so you must have some water. So I'll put some water inside and I'll run it for 30 seconds and you will see right, see. Alright, so let me remove these things inside the microwave. Alright. Alright, So it's working. Okay, so thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.